Hi traders, I'm Kagiso Mahuma and welcome to another installment of our how-to videos. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate your CloudTrade terminal with real quick easy steps on how exactly you can monitor your trades that you have placed. Now CloudTrade is one of the cool platforms that we have here at BlackStone and I'm really excited to take you guys through it today. So now the CloudTrade platform is really huge, so you can really see every single trade that you place whilst you're trading. Okay, as you can see here, you have different options for open positions, opening orders, transaction history, activity history, information, account summary, and my alerts. So now alerts are basically when you put an alert on a particular instrument, so you may be alerted when the instrument reaches a certain price. So now the terminal is really cool because I can then easily close my trades or open more trades right down here. Thank you so much for watching this how-to video. For more information, do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.